In this video, I will show you how to decrease a stitch. I will be using 4mm knitting needles and a lightweight yarn such as DMC Merino Essential 4. To work our decrease, we will start by inserting our right hand needle into the next 2 stitches. We're going to wrap our yarn around our needle and work a purl as normal. And now I have decreased 1 stitch. So insert our right hand needle from right to left, wrap our yarn around and work a purl as normal. I've now decreased 2 stitches.